Have you ever sent a text or email and then realized, oh no, I made a grammar mistake? Embarrassing, right? Well, that's where Grammarly AI Assistant saved the day. By the way, before I dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss useful tips, tricks, and hacks. Open your Google Plus, download Grammarly AI Assistant. Grammarly AI is just not a spell checker, it's like your personal writing coach that works everywhere from emails to social media posts. The app uses AI to check grammar, spelling, tone, and even clarity so your writing always sounds professional and confident. What I love most is the real time suggestion while you type. Grammarly highlights makes mistakes and shows you how to fix them, and it does not just correct words, it explains why. So over time you actually become a better writer. Plus, Grammarly adapts to your style. Want to sound formal in a job application or casual in a friendly chat? It just your tone instantly. It's like having an English teacher and an editor in your pocket 24/7. So, if you want to avoid silly mistake and write like a pro, try Grammarly AI Assistant. And remember, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will keep sharing more amazing AI tools with you. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.